Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the math world or Export Mathematics. Chapter number 7. O level mathematics. New syllabus D4. Work example number 3. The figure below, the position of the point P, A and B where A, B is given 3, 1. P is the point, here P is the point. Express PB as a column vector. Q is a point such that AB, QB is a parallelogram. Express PQ as a column vector. Express BQ as a column vector. R is a point such that ABPR is a parallelogram. PR is a column vector. Do the two vectors PQR PR have the same magnitude, can have an are equal? Justify your answer. Solution. Now these vectors we can draw as a parallelogram. From figure, the point PB is minus 2 or minus 3. X is 2 and Y is minus 3. From the above parallelogram, the point PB is 2 or minus 3 and the point BQ is 1, 4. This is the point B and this is the point Q. Now we move from this to this. It means the whole distance is 1 unit. So in upper side 1, 2, 3 or 4. So the answer is 1 or 4. If arrow has in upward direction, so both X and Y are positive, we can understand about the arrow. If arrow is downward, so the point second, which is Y, is a negative. Now here X is positive and Y is also positive because arrowhead is in forward direction. For this, BQ, and now we find PR from figure. How we find PR? Now this is the point P and this is the point R. How many distance? This is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3. So 3, because we can move from PR. So the X is negative 1, 2 or 3 and Y is a positive. How many distance in Y, which is Y or because Y is also negative. X is negative and Y is negative. So the total distance is 1, minus 1. Y is minus 1 and X is minus 3. Now we can check. Yes, X is minus 3 and Y is minus 1. PQ and PR have the same magnitude but not equal vector because they do not have in the same direction. In this way, now we find the solution of the practice number 3. Here there are the 3 vectors P, A, B are given as shown in the figure. Now first we can draw its figure where we can find the magnitude and find the direction of PA, PB, and we find a parallelogram. For this purpose we make a parallelogram. Express PB as a column vector. Now the PB, this is the question, how the vector PB can be defined. Q is a point such that ABQP is a parallelogram. R is a point such that ABPR is a parallelogram. Express PR as a column vector. Now we can start its solution. Now this is a parallelogram. Here x and y, we can change the parallelogram. Now in this figure, PQ, PB, here x is a 3 and y is a -2. So the answer is PB. PR BA minus AB, yani minus AB. So the same distance equal to AB and RP, but in opposite direction. So the result is PR is equal to minus AB. And the same case, BQ is equal to AP. This is the distance of BQ and this is the distance of PB. Both are the same but in opposite direction. Similarly, P and Q and P and R have the same distance but in opposite direction. So PQ is not equal to PR. Hence complete this solution. Thanks for